teal.
Right, we're getting ready to start
You're
playing
yellow,
some
Emmy's red.
treasure hunting. Right,
Ghost fighting treasure hunters.
Fighting treasure hunters. It's a rainy day today, so we're just playing some board games. I think the sun's starting to peek out, so we're pulling out board games. And this is the first, because it's been a little while since we played this. And this is my country's pick.
Ghost fighting treasure hunters.
This is honestly one of my favorite. This is like my favorite family game, I think.
Yeah, if there's 3 ghosts, they
will
turn into
explain
a
that.
red player.
Also, that's what I was going to say.
They're still ghosts.
My tripod broke
Big ghosts.
again, and so it's a little bit difficult to vlog today. I plan to like do more, but I don't know how much I'm going to be able to really do because I can't set the camera down really. We'll be ordering a new one on Amazon, so just stay tuned for better vlogs once that happens. Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. We are at the bird sanctuary. We're in the city running some errands. So we decided to stop by the bird sanctuary, go for a little nature walk.
It's not one I'm familiar with.
Guys, look at all these nests.
I know,
There's a big one in there and there's the lower one. So we love the bird sanctuary.
Yeah.
Decided to come for a walk, enjoy nature. Yes? Yeah, there's nests right there.
In the bush.
Yeah.
Do you see it? Right up in there. All the sticks up there, that's a nest, yeah.
Is there any eggs in there?
I don't know, possibly.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
We just found a little fawn hiding in the bushes. His mom went to go forage, but it's safer for the babies to stay so predators don't eat them, and they have no smell at all. So predators can't smell them either.
Can you see it in there?
Yeah,
Stay here.
I can still see it.
I almost missed it.
Good
I thought I saw it,
eye,
and then I
Cody.
had to stop and double check.
Beautiful.
Well, that's a good one to take a picture of.
That was
I
so...
see it.
I never thought I would see a fawn like that. Well,
It's hanging out.
it's really special.
Yeah, it's really special.
Very slow down. I see it around here.
She's like just over here. So.
A bit of concern up there will be. Oh, look right there. It's crossing the road.
Oh my goodness, there's a deer right there.
It's currently blocking our path, actually.
There's another deer hanging out in the shade. Shh. So quietly.
Not right now.
Come here. Stay. Hello.
Slow down, Greg. Stop.
Hello. You're beautiful.
Oh, dear.
Hello.
Mouthful of grass.
Hi.
There's so many deer.
You're like this far away from the one sitting on the
There's
platform.
one right beside the bench right there.
Inches away from the bench.
We saw the cute little fawn now. This and the other. So 3 deer.
This could be the mother.
Yeah.
What do you think being this close to a deer?
What?
What do you think being this close to a deer?
Crazy. But the other one back there was even closer.
We could have pet that one. It's
Yeah.
amazing.
That one's so cute.
Let her run. Let her run.
Oh, Greg, stop.
Oh, holy crap. I just picked up the camera to vlog, but there's another deer.
This is a 5th deer. 5 deer. 2 babies. 3 adults.
We are so excited. This is amazing. We were just saying how I think we're gonna pack up right after breakfast and come here first thing in the
There was
morning.
just a deer crossing the road.
They're
and there's
so-
another.
This is a sanctuary, so they know they're safe here. They're not necessarily like okay with people, but they know that we're not gonna hurt them. So although they're cautious, they know that everybody's gonna stay on the path and everything, which is really cool to see.
There's a 5th one.
Talk about a nature fix, hey?